Hello guys, my name is Jenny Budiarti. In this video, I will explain about
the basic nature of environmental accounting. Environmental accounting is a branch of accounting that integrates environmental information into a company's financial reporting system. This means that every company activity that impact the environment, whether is production waste, energy consumption, water use, or carbon emission, is not simply recorded as ordinary operating cost but is analyzed as an environmental cost. The goals so that companies can honestly assess the in terms of their activities impact the of planet and how to manage in sustainability. This concept emerged in the but has become intensely relevant today amidst global pressure for environmental responsibility and climate change. In fact, according to good news from the United States Environmental Protection Agency's use, environmental accounting not only record feasibility costs like waste statement but also consider hidden costs, legal risk resolution, full pollution of the potential loop of customer trust. In Japan, environmental accounting has even been a mandatory part of the system for land companies since the early 2000s. In Indonesia, especially after the financial accounting standard began including guidelines regarding the disclosure of environmental obligation, for example, for the mining industry. Internationally, environmental accounting also encompasses two dimensions: conventional environmental accounting, which use financial use rupiah, dollar, and ecological accounting, which use physical units such as kilogram of waste, liter of water, or kilojoules of energy. Both complement each other and provide a complete picture of the use course of a business activity. How imagine if every company were transparent about how much water they use, how much waste they produce, and how much they spend on environmental restoration? What will happen? The public would have more trust, investors could make smarter decisions, and all of us, as members of this planet, could hope for a cleaner, more sustainable future. So, environmental accounting is just about numbers. It's about commitment, it's about responsibility, and of course, it's about the future. The purpose of environmental accounting, okay, how that you understand the definition, you might ask, but what do companies bother including environmental aspects in their financial report? After all, profit is what matters, right? Well, this is feasibility where its important lies. Environmental accounting exists not to hinder business, but rather to ensure its remain relevant, responsibility, and sustainability in a incredibly environmentally conscious world. The main goal can be submerged in of stance, helping companies make sustainability decisions. But if we break it down more deeply, there are several important goals of implementation environmental accounting. 1. Environmental transparency. Environmental accounting help a company be more honest about their activity. They report not only how much they produce, but also how much environmental impact they relieve. This way, the public, investor, and regulation has access whether a company is truly responsibility. 2. Environmental performance evaluation. Every expense burn, waste management, renewable energy use, or nature conservation can be tracked and make sure this way companies how whether their environmental investments are effective or whether they still need improvement. 3. Long-term costs and feasibility. Did you know many environmental costs may seem small at first, but they can become a triggering time bomb? For example, Venus for pollution or reputational damage due to public protests. By recording and managing environmental costs early on, companies can avoid significant losses later on. 4. Increased business competitive. Today, consumer and insecurity declining and concern about environmental issues. Companies that demonstrate and commitment to sustainability tend to be more popular and trusted. In fact, many investors are only willing to invest in companies with strong ESG, environmental, social, and governance performance. Thank you.